guys, good morning. So, I will make a fried salmon belly strips because I'm alone eating breakfast or lunch. But I don't know if Sahira will eat this one, but I try because I buy and tuna. It's yummy. It's make me eat a lot. So, thank you for watching. So, I will video more. Bye. I cook the salmon belly. I choose the salmon belly because I want to try, and let's see what's going on. I will join you to my breakfast. So this is it now, guys. So our rice. Let's eat. Hello guys, let's eat. Try. So it's crunchy. Mm. Hmm? No. Mm. Tahira's lunch is what you call that? Pork, because she didn't have class afternoon, so she get a pork. Then with veggies. Mmm, this is really yummy, guys. For 180, good. So I can eat for this one 2 times, and yeah, really yummy. Bye bye.